Hello 6th standard students, welcome to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we will discuss the lesson ratio, proportion and unitary method. Introduction. What is ratio? Comparing two quantities by division is called ratio. So you are comparing two quantities by division, then you say it as ratio. And the symbol of ratio is two dots like this. Okay. And how do you read it? This is is to. Okay. 3 by 2 is the fractional form by division, isn't it? So 3 by 2 is the fractional form. It can be written as 3:2. This is the ratio form and it is read as 3:2. Understood? So ratio, how do you read? 3:2. That is the ratio form. Fractional form is first number divided by the second number. So that is 3 by 2. 3 is the first term and it is also called as antecedent. And 2 is the second term and it is called as the consequent. So first number is the first term, that is antecedent. Second number is the second term or the consequent. You should remember the names. Okay. While forming a ratio, now what is the rule to form a ratio? First, the two quantities compared should be expressed in the same unit. So the two terms, the first and the second term, it should be in the same unit. Like the ratio of 2 meter to 75 centimeter. You can't write 1 meter, the other in centimeter. Convert it. So it should be written as 200 centimeter to 75 centimeter. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Convert them into centimeter. Otherwise, convert both in the meter. Then you can write 200:75. Clear? समझ में आ रहा है ना? So दोनों first term and the second term should be written in the same unit. Now second, the names or the units of the two quantities should not be used in the ratio. जब भी ratio लिखते हैं तभी units या the names, they are not written, only the numbers are written. Like ratio of 3 meter to 2 meter. It's not written as 3 meter is to 2 meter. It is written 3:2. Third point, the two quantities compared should be of the same kind. Ratio में जो भी दो term रहता है, जो हम compare करते हैं, they should be of the same kind. Like ₹220 and 5 apples cannot be compared because one is the cost, the other is the number. You can't compare the different quantities. Next point, the ratio should always be expressed in the simplest form. कोई भी रेशियो को हम simplest form में convert करेंगे, फिर लिखेंगे. जैसे कि 17:51 should be written as 1:3. How? 17:51, write it in the fractional form. 17 by 51, 17 ones are, 17 threes are 51. So you get 1:3. Next, the order of the terms in a ratio is important. The first term should be written first, second term should be written second. You can't interchange. So the ratio of boys to girls in a class is 2:3, while the ratio of girls to boys is 3:2. So boys to girls बोलेंगे तो first boys कितने हैं? It is 2. Girls 3. You can't write the reverse. So then it becomes girls to boys. If you write 3:2, it is girls to boys. Hope you understood all the points while writing the ratio. सबको समझ में आया होगा. सबसे पहले दोनों क्वांटिटीज सेम यूनिट में लिखने का है. नंबर्स, नेम्स, numbers should be written, not the names and the units along with it. थर्ड, जो भी हम कंपेयर करते हैं दोनों एक ही टाइप का रहना चाहिए. फिर रेशियो हमेशा सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में ही लिखने का है. और लास्ट, द ऑर्डर ऑफ द रेशियो, द टर्म्स should be in the perfect order. So you can't interchange the terms. Then it means the reverse. Now coming to the example. Example 1. Express the following pairs into ratio in the simplest form. जो भी आपको दिया गया है उसको रेशियो में लिखो and it should be in the simplest form. So it is given the 4 meter long cloth and 2 meter long cloth. दोनों meters में है. So the ratio of the lengths, ratio of the lengths of the cloth first, what is the number? 4. 4 meter, but you will be writing only 4. Ratio का symbol है is2. Second is 2 meter, so you will be writing only 2. Now in the simplest form, इसके लिए पहले इसको fraction में लिखो 4/2. Don't write 2/4. 4 which table? 2 के टेबल में है. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. You got 2/1. That means answer is 2:1. Understood? Write in the ratio form, write in the fractional form. If they are in the same table or the multiples of the same number, cancel it, convert to the simplest form and write again in the ratio form. Clear? Now 150 kg and 120 kg. So the ratio of kg का मतलब weight. The ratio of weight of sugar is 150 kg. So 150 is to 120 kg. So 120. Write in the fractional form 150/120. First cancel 0. Now 12 and 15, they are the multiples of 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So you got 5/4. Ratio form is 5:4. Is it clear? Now coming to the C question, 12 liter and 9 liter. They are given ratio of the quantity of milk. Milk is given in the unit is liters. So 12 liter and 9 liter. So 12 is to 9. Write in the fractional form 12/9. They are the multiples of 3. 3 3s are, 3 4s are. So 4/3. Therefore 4 is to 3. Hope you understood the example 1. Now find the ratio of 3 kg to 250 grams. So ratio of 3 kg to 250 gram. Kg and gram, different units. Convert to the lowest. विच इज इट, ग्राम। kg को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करो, kg 3 kg is 3000 gram, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, so 3 kg is equal to 3000 gram to 250 gram। पहले ऐसे लिखो, अभी रेशियो के फॉर्म में इट इज 3000 is to 250, राइट इन द फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म 3000 upon 250, 0 0 cut, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30 and this 0, now 5 1s are 5, 1 remains, 1 and 0 10, 5 2s are 10, you got 12 by 1, so the ratio is 12 is to 1. Hope you understood the example 2. Now coming to example 3. Mr. Gupta earns rupees 4500 in a month. Earns मतलब कमाता है, सैलरी है ना। Out of this he spends rupees 3600 and saves the rest. So उसका कमाई कितना है 4500, उसमें से 3600 वो खर्चा करता है और जो बचा है वो उसको, जितना बचा उसको बचा है ना। फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ द अर्निंग्स टू द एक्सपेंडिचर, एक्सपेंडिचर मतलब खर्चा कितना करता है। देन एक्सपेंडिचर टू सेविंग्स, कितना बचाया, फिर सेविंग्स टू अर्निंग्स। तो अलग अलग हिस्सों से आप लोगों को रेशियो फाइंड आउट करने का है। तो सबसे पहले आपको लिखने का है क्या क्या दिया है। सॉल्यूशन, फर्स्ट अर्निंग्स, मिस्टर गुप्तास अर्निंग्स कितना दिया है, रुपीज 4500। ही स्पेंड्स, सो स्पेंड के लिए क्या वर्ड दिया है, एक्सपेंडिचर। यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ड्स, ओके। एक्सपेंडिचर इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 3600। सेव्स द रेस्ट, देयरफॉर सेविंग्स। क्वेश्चन में दिया है सेविंग्स, सो this is the earning, this is the expenditure, what is the saving, the rest means what, minus करो, rupees 4500 minus 3600, 0 0 2 zeros, 5 minus 6 means 15 minus 6 is 9, 3 minus 3 is 0, so the savings is rupees 900. First of all you find this. Now the question, first is ratio of earnings to expenditure, earnings to expenditure। अभी earnings कितना है 4500, we are not writing the rupees, याद है ना, रेशियो में रुपीज सब नहीं डालते हैं। is to expenditure 3600, write in the fractional form 4500 first term upon the second term, 20 20 cancel, 36 and 45। आपको जो टेबल परफेक्ट है अराउंड 12 तक, आई थिंक 12 तक सब बच्चों को टेबल्स याद रहेगा, तो वो टेबल में कौन से टेबल में हाईएस्ट कौन सा टेबल में ए नंबर्स आते हैं देखने का है। सो 9 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, so you got 5 by 4, that is ratio is 5:4। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिला। अभी सेकेंड, द रेशियो ऑफ, यू हैव टू राइट, it is common, that is why it is given like this, ratio of expenditure to savings, expenditure to savings. Now expenditure, how much is it? 3,600 is to savings, how much you got? 900. Now write 3600 upon 900, 2020 cut, 9 ones are 9 fours are 36. So 4 by 1, that is 4:1. Second answer also you got. Now coming to question C, the ratio of savings to earnings. Right, savings how much? 900. Earnings is 4500. 900 upon 4500, 2020 cut. 9 ones are 9 fives are 45. So 1 by 5. So you get 1:5. Confident? So these were the examples of a ratio. How to solve the sums? Hope you understood. Bye. Thank you. All the best.